Good afternoon. How are you all? I'm fine. What about you? Good. Okay, chalo. So myself, I'm Swapna Kumari Mahanti, Mathematics faculty from EduHunt IIT and NEET Academy. So do you remember what we have discussed in the last session? Do you remember? Do you remember anybody? Yeah. So I have discussed you about the concept of allied angles of trigonometry, right? Yes, sir. And also we have discussed many of the problems from worksheet. 1 to 5 questions we are done, right? Yes or no? Yeah. So let's get back to the continuation part of worksheet problems from 6th question. Let's begin our session. You guys are ready to start? Yeah. Chalo. So right. So the value of cos 24 degree, cos 5 degree, cos 300 degree plus cos 175 degree plus cos 204 degree. So this is my first question, right? So what I am going to do here, let's check this. So what they have given, it is cos 24 degree plus cos 5 degree plus cos 300 degree plus cos 175 degree plus cos 204 degree, right? Cos 204 degree. Yes. So first tell me, cos 24 you don't know anything. Can you do this by taking a concept of allied angle, something like allied angle? No, right? So what I will do is, I'll keep this cos 24 as it is. I will not do nothing with this cos 24. Similarly, I'll just keep cos 5. I'll write cos 5 degree as cos 5 degree only. I have not done any modifications to the first degrees angles. Right? Ma'am, how would you know? Means it's just a bit mind calculation. Right? So cos 300 I will change in the form of cos 360 degree minus 60 degree. Correct? Minus 60 degree. Can I write 300 as cos 360 minus 60? Yes, of course I can write like this, right? Next, cos 175 degree. Now I am writing cos 175 as cos 180. In order to get 175, I need to minus 5 degree. I need to do minus 5 degree. 180 minus 5 is 175. I can write like that. Yes. So next one is cos 204. I can write like cos, how I will write this? Cos, just a minute. I will write in the form of, just a second. I have to erase this. It should be clear, right? Yeah. So cos 204, I will write in the form of 180 plus 24 degree. 180 plus 24 degree. I repeat, cos 24 degree is as usual. Cos 5 degree I have written as usual. Cos 300 degree I have written in the form of 360 minus 60. Okay. Cos 175 I will write in the form of 180 minus 5 degree. And 204 is 180 plus 24. Right. So with this technique, what I am going to do, see, cos 24 degree I will left like this as usual. Cos 5 degree also I will leave like that. Okay. Cos 360 minus theta. Which quadrant it is? Cos 360 minus theta, which quadrant it is? 360 minus theta, it belongs to the 4th quadrant. Right? It belongs to the 4th quadrant. In 4th quadrant, what are the trigonometric ratios are positive? It is cos, and reciprocal function of cos is secant. Reciprocal function of cos is secant. So cos 360 minus theta, which becomes a cos theta, which becomes cos theta. I have to write plus or minus. It is plus only, because cos is remaining positive in the 4th quadrant, right? So it will be plus only, right? So 360 minus theta ends. 360 is an even multiple of 90. 360 is an even multiple of 90. If it is an even multiple, the function will change or it will not change. The function does not change. If it is an odd function, you have to change the function. If it has an even multiple of 90, the function should not change. It is an even multiple of 90. So it will become cos 60. It will become cos 60. Now let's get back to this one. Cos 180 minus 5. 180 minus theta. Can I write like in the place of theta I am having 5 degree. So what? In the place of theta I am having 5 degree. Cos 180 minus theta. First you need to check 180 minus theta is lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant cos will become negative. In the second quadrant cos will become negative, right? So fine, cos is becoming negative and even function, it is an even multiple of 90. 180 is an even multiple of 90, so it will not change. So cos will remain as it is. So it will become cos minus cos 5 degree. Similarly, 180 plus theta is belong to third quadrant, right? 180 plus theta belong to third quadrant. In this quadrant, cos will also become negative. Cos will become negative. So what I can do? Minus cos 24 degree, right? So now let's check on. We can have minus cos 24 degree plus cos 24 degree will get cancel. Will get cancel. Plus cos 5 minus cos 5 also will become cancel. So you left over with only cos 60 degree. You left over with cos 60 degree. What is the value of cos 60? Tell me. What is the value of cos 60? It's 1 by 2. It's a 1 by 2. So what is the answer here? It's option 3. It's option 3. Am I clear with this question? Just have a glimpse of this question. Make it fast, dear. Chalo. So here comes the next one. The value of cos 24 degree plus cos 55 degree plus cos 125 degree plus cos 204 degree and cos 300 degree and cos 300 degree. It is bit similar to the previous question. It is bit similar to the previous question. This is a task for you. I'll just give 1 second of time. You just recall of the previous question, try to solve by your own. Yes, try to solve. Many of you, I can see many of you are starting the questions, starting this question, they are solving by their own. It's very glad, right? Chalo. So if not, okay, that's okay. I'm here to help out. Don't worry, right? So what is my next question? So cos 24 degree, cos 55 degree, cos 125 degree, cos 204 degree plus cos 300 degree plus cos 300 degree. So from this cos 24 I will keep like this. I will not going to do anything. Cos 24 I will not change anything. I will write as usual. Next one is cos 55 degree also I will not change. I will keep as usual. Cos 125, how you can express cos 125 as? Tell me, how you can express cos 125? It's 180 minus 55, correct? 180 minus 55. So can I write 125 as 180 degree minus 55 degree? 180 degree minus 55 degree, yes, can I write like that? Yes, of course. 180 minus 50 is 125, yeah. Next, cos, how I will write this 204? It is, please tell me, how I will write this? It's 180 degree plus 24 as usual, like previous question I have written. It's 180 plus 24 and cos 300 degree I will keep as it is 300 like this. Am I clear with the question? What I have done, I kept as usual these two as usual. I changed the last 3 terms which was given in the question. Okay, yeah. So why I should change? Let's see the next step. Cos 24 degree plus cos 55 degree, cos 180 minus theta. First you need to check 180 minus theta is belong to which particular quadrant. 180 minus theta is belong to which particular quadrant? Tell me. Tell me. 180 minus theta belongs to, excellent, it is second quadrant. It is second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, cos is becoming positive or negative? Of course it is. Of course it is negative. Sine and cosec will become positive, right? So it is negative. So minus cos, as it is a 180, the function will not change. It's an even multiple of 90. Even multiple of 90, function does not change, right? So it will become minus cos 55 degree. Minus cos 55 degree, right? And the next one, cos 180 plus theta. And again, 180 plus theta belong to third particular quadrant. In the third particular quadrant, cos is becoming negative. So this also becoming minus cos 24 degree. So cos 300 can be written as plus 360 minus 60 as usual, like a previous question, right? So I hope I am clear with this, guys. So we'll get back to next step. See, cos 24 degree plus cos 55 degree minus cos 55 degree minus cos 24 degree, cos 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta belong to fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos is becoming positive, right? So cos is becoming positive. The function also will not change because 360 is an even multiple of 90. It will not change. So what I can write, it is as usual like cos 60 degree. It is as usual cos 60 degree, right? So what I have to do in the next process? So from the above step, I can just cancel like plus cos 24 minus cos 24. Plus cos 55 minus cos 55. So I left over with cos 60 again. So cos 60 value is 1 by 2. The cos 60 value is 1 by 2. I am clear with this, guys. Chalo. We'll get back to next question, which is 8th question of our worksheet. We are done with 6 and 7 problems, right? So what is the next question? So let's read out the next question. The value of tan 616 degree, tan 194 degree minus of cos minus 505 degree into cos 55 degree plus sine 395 degree and sine 145 degree. So this is my next question. First, as usual, I'll find out the values of every particular trigonometric ratio, and then I'll get back to, I'll put all the substitute values and then we'll solve the problem. So first, let me consider tan 616 and tan 194 degree. So what is the first value? Tan 616 degree, tan 194 degree. Am I correct? So we will simplify because you are not aware of both the angles of trigonometric ratios, right? So 616 is a quite bigger angle and 194 is also a bigger angle. So with the help of allied angles, we can solve this problem, right? How? See, tan 616, how you can be solved 616 degree? Tell me. 616. Which allied angle is very closer to 616? It is 360 degree, right? So 360 degree, how much you need to add to get 616? How much you need to add? It's 256, right? 360 degree plus 256 degree is equal to 616. Correct? Ante kada? 616 రావాలి అంటే 360 is a very closer allied angle. For 360 degree, you need to add 256, right? So next, tan 194 can also be simplified as 180 degree plus 14 degree. 180 degree plus 14 degree, correct? So let's get back to next step. Tan 360 plus theta, what is, in which particular quadrant it lies? 360 plus theta. Could you please tell me? 360 plus theta. So in which particular quadrant it lies? Tell me. 360 plus theta lies in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive, right? So it is positive. 360 plus theta. 360 is an even multiple of 90. So the function does not change. The function does not change. So it will become tan 256 degree. tan 180 plus theta, right? So this particular thing I can change into 180 plus theta belong to third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is taking a positive sign, so it will become positive only here, right? This is under into, this is under into, it will take a positive sign. 180 plus theta is a positive sign in the third quadrant. 180 is an even multiple of 90, correct? 180 is an even multiple of 90. So what I will get from this? Tan 14 degree. As usual, even multiple of 90, function does not change, correct? So again, if I furtherly simplify this tan 256, how I can express tan 256? Tan 256 can be expressed as how? 270 degree minus 14 degree. Can I write in the place of 256? I written 256 in the place of 256. How I am writing this? 270 degree minus 14 degree, correct? This is as usual tan 14 degree. Am I clear? Next, tan 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta lies in which particular quadrant? Third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan trigonometric ratio is positive or negative? Is positive or negative? Obviously it is positive, because tan is positive in the third quadrant. And now let's get back to 270. 270 is an even multiple or odd multiple of 90? Excellent. It is an odd multiple. 93 is 270, correct? 93 is 270. So I need to write cot here. Cot 14 degree. This need to multiply with tan 14 degree. So cot function is defined as reciprocal of tan function. This is 1 by tan 14 into tan 14 degree. Cancel both, you will be left over with 1. You will be left over with 1. Let's get back to next part of the question, right? So first part is done. So let's get back to next part. What is the next one? Minus of cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So minus into minus is plus. Cos 505. Minus into minus is plus. Cos 505 degree into cos 755 degree you need to find out here. You need to find the value of cos 505 into cos 755. Okay. So let's get back to next. Cos 505. How I can express this? Can you please tell me? Cos 505, I can express it in the form of the nearest angle of cos 505 ka nearest angle. What is the value of 505 ka closer value? It is obviously 360 degree, right? 360 degree. For 360, how much you need to add over there? How much you need to add over there? 360 degree, 505 minus 360, which is 14. So 360 plus 145, which gives 505, correct? 360 plus 14, which gives 505. Am I correct? Next, what is the next particular thing? It's cos 755. Cos 755, how I can express? Cos 755, what is the nearest allied angle for cos 755? Obviously it is 360 into 2, correct? So 755 I can write like 360 degree into 2. 362 sir is 720. So for 720 you need to add plus 35 degree. I repeat again, 755 how I can express here? 362 sir is 720. Correct? 361 sir is 360. That means I am taking 2 complete revolutions. Right? 2 complete revolutions in the circle. 360 first part is done and again second part is done. So 362 sir is 720. For 720 you need to add 35 degree. You need to add 35 degree. Am I clear? 755 how I am expressing? Okay. Chalo. Next one. Cos 360 plus theta. So first let me talk about quadrants. 360 plus theta lies in the first quadrant. The angles which are greater than 360. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. Correct. So this will become positive. Cos function, as it is an even multiple of 90, the function does not change. The function does not change. Right. So cos, which is 145 degree, and this is cos 360, again it is an even multiple, the function does not change. Cos, it is 35 degree, cos 35 degree. In the next step, 145, here I am not familiar with 145. So what I am doing here is, I am just expressing this 145 as cos 180 degree, either you can write like 90 plus 35, right, 90 plus something, or 180 minus theta. 180 minus 35, right, see 180 minus 35 is 145, right. So 180 minus 35, and this is cos 35 degree. Cos 180 minus theta, second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is becoming negative. Cos is becoming negative, right. Cos 180 minus theta, which is minus cos 35 degree, and this is again cos 35 degree. Same. So can I write like it is cos square 35 degree? Cos square 35 degree. Yeah, cos 35 into cos 35, cos square 35, right. So we left over with last two trigonometric functions. What is the last one? Can you please tell me? The last one is, just a minute, I'll just change the color. The last one is, what is the last one? Tell me now, what is the last one? I can write sine 395 degree, sine 145 degree. Sine 395 degree, sine 145 degree. 395 here I can express it in the form of, what is a closer allied angle to 395? It is 360, correct? It is 360. So 395 here I can express it in the form of 360 को कितना add करना है? So 360 you need to add up plus 35 degree, so that you will be getting 395. So I will express the same thing over there. Okay. So sine 360 degree plus 35 into sine 180 minus 35. 180 minus 35. The color is not visible. Okay, let's change the color. Am I clear now? Am I clear? Right. So how I can express this? 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta, which belong to first quadrant. So all the trigonometric ratios are positive over here. Right. So what it will be getting? Sine 360 plus theta is sine 35 degree, and this is 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta is also belong to second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine trigonometric ratio is positive, correct. Sine trigonometric ratio is positive. So sine 35 into sine 35, which becomes sine square 35 degree, which becomes sine square 35 degree, right. So all this we have done. Anything is left over, just look at it, just get back to it once, have a glimpse of this, so that I can substitute all the values. Can I get back to next one? Yes. So this is my problem. Yeah. So we will get back, see here it is 145, a small modification. 145 can be written as, just a minute, 145 can be written as 180 minus, somebody asked me a doubt here. See, I will rectify it out. 10 minus 5 is 5, 17 minus 3 is 14. So I am just writing 145 as 180 minus 35 degree, right. Basically what you will be getting? See, cos of minus 35 degree, right? Cos of minus 35 degree. But we know, what we know? Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So from that result we can have cos 35 into cos 35, which is cos square 35. Clear? Which is cos square 35. Because see, any particular angle cos of minus theta can be written as cos of minus theta can be written as cos 0 minus theta. That means the angles you are considering here are less than 0. Less than 0, it is in the fourth quadrant, correct? In the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, which particular trigonometric ratio is positive? Obviously cos and secant. So that is the reason cos of minus theta is cos theta over here, right? So cos of minus 35 is cos 35. So I'll substitute all these values together. This is 1. So this I got sine cos square 35. This I get sine square 35. We will just add together 1 plus cos square 35 plus sine square 35 degree, right? In this place, can I use a trigonometric identity? Cos square 35 plus sine square 35. Value is 1, right? So 1 plus 1, what is the answer? It is equal to 2. It is equal to 2, right? So, chalo. The option 3 is our answer. So can I get back to next problem? Before getting back to next problem, I just recall this problem once again. Tan 616 with the help of allied angles concept. What I am doing, I am just writing it in the form of 360 plus 256. Okay, again 256 is a unknown angle for us. With the help of allied angle, 270 minus 14. 270 minus 14 is lies in the third quadrant. In third, tan is positive. So as it is an odd multiple of 90, so how I can express here? 270 can be expressed as a cot 14. Cot is a reciprocal function of tan. 1 by tan 14 into tan 14, which is equals to 1. Chalo, let's get back to next one. Here 505 is an not a familiar angle for us. With the help of, again as usual, allied angles I have considered here. 360 is a closer allied angle to 505. So 360 को कितना ऐड करना पड़ता है? 145 ऐड करना पड़ता है, हाँ कि नहीं? You need to add 145. 360 plus 145. First quadrant, cos is cos. The function does not change as it is an even function. Right. So again 145 is not a familiar angle for me. I am just converting into 180 minus 35. Somebody will get confused in this. 180 minus theta is actually lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is actually negative. But cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So cos into cos is cos square 35 degrees. Similarly here, if you just simplify this, you will be getting what? 1 plus 1 is equals to 2.